You, if you are successful, must be artists. And an artist is a person who performs certain things skillfully, but doesn't really know how he does it. You learn art by methods that you don't know how you learn. You can't describe, because your brain is capable of absorbing all kinds of information that is much too subtle to be translated into words. A certain kind of personal magic, profundity, or whatever to carry them off.
Hello. From here, let's first note Takagi Soya's the shorter, more built fighter stance. He moves with his hands from his face to a lower position, between hands down to a guard, transitioning between these two. Also note the bounce in his step, with one foot pointed out and one foot pointed at his opponent. For greater depth in movement, but also more power from his pivot. He doesn't stand as bladed as a Taekwondo stance, but he clearly has karate influences to his style. This would explain his more patient, single-hit approach. Many karate forms have taken inspiration from sword fighting, which naturally would emphasize patience and timing, using in and out forward as one of the tools to do so. Also notice how he distributes weight between his legs. Muay Thai fighters have a bigger emphasis on low kicks, thus a balanced weight distribution between legs, or even more weight on the lead leg, can lead to greater repercussions when eating a low kick. Thus, you typically find more weight is planted on the back leg, which allows for quicker checks, not losing your balance, getting kicked off your post, and simply not taking as much damage if you happen to eat a low kick, as you won't have as much weight resisting against your opponent's kick. But for every advantage, there's also a disadvantage. What you gain in a greater ability to deal with low kicks, you lose in the capacity for footwork. Having a greater balance, or even an even balance between how your legs distribute weight, is what allows that beautiful footwork. Here, patient, he holds his position. Notice how his right hand is loaded, but the other hand is down. Clearly, he's coaxing his opponent to enter in on him. As he sees his opponent load up, in Takagi comes with his tighter shot. It was punch perfect. But when it comes to any dance, it always takes two. This moment was not only set up by just Takagi, but was also allowed by his opponent, Namaki Kawahara. Namaki looked as if he wanted to move offline, but it was only a little bit. He did not move enough. Pair that with how he motioned his lead, and how he wound up his backhand. It was seen a mile away. No real setup. It truly seemed as though he recklessly entered a samurai duel, with naturally the cleaner shot winning the exchange. Here, it was a tighter, straighter shot, beating the haymaker to the punch. Namaki, he used his own power against himself. If you'd like more from me, please subscribe and hit the notifications. Thank you if you did. It really does help the channel. Thank you. Smash the like button if you enjoyed. It's good karma. And until next time, peace.